Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate croissants without yeast. This quick method allows you to enjoy delicious, flaky pastries without the extensive waiting periods associated with traditional yeast doughs. We'll focus on creating those signature layers and a rich, buttery taste using readily available ingredients. Get ready to bake some delightful treats in a fraction of the time, perfect for a spontaneous breakfast or dessert. For these quick croissants, you'll need basic pantry staples. Ensure your unsalted butter is very cold, as this is crucial for developing those beautiful, flaky layers. We'll combine flour, a touch of sugar, and baking powder for our leavening. Don't forget your favorite chocolate. Bars or chips work well. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. The secret to flaky croissants lies in the folding technique. After mixing your dough, you'll roll it into a rectangle, fold it like a letter into 3 sections, and then chill it. This process, known as a turn, is repeated several times. Each turn incorporates more butter into thin layers, which expand during baking. This creates the airy, delicate texture we all love in a croissant. Once your croissants are shaped and filled with chocolate, they're ready for the oven. Bake them at a relatively high temperature to ensure a quick rise and a beautifully golden brown crust. Keep an eye on them. They should be puffed and flaky. Let them cool for just a few minutes before enjoying. The melted chocolate and warm, buttery dough are truly irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.